What a week it's been for young striker Troy Parrot, AZ Alkmaar forward with 5 goals and 2 goals. 2 goals against Portugal on Thursday night. Hat-trick against Hungary. Ireland into the playoffs in March. Let's see who they get. Draw is on Thursday, but just get to the playoffs is absolutely huge. This guy's had his ups and downs. He was at Spurs at a very, very young age, was the next big thing. Moved to Millwall, moved to Ipswich, didn't quite work out. Moved to Holland and has worked out at AZ Alkmaar. Maybe another big move's on next year, but huge for Ireland. 5 goals in 2 games. Crazy, crazy stuff. Ireland into the playoffs. Wow, well done, Troy Parrot.